Hey friends, welcome to my home. I'm Fabio and today I have a nice yoga practice for detox. In this one we'll be going through a few different twists, some more challenging than others. So now let's begin. Today we'll start this practice with our eyes closed in Sukhasana with our legs crossed. You can rest your hands on your knees or your thighs. Take a few moments to really connect to the ground. Feel the earth beneath you. Feel the depth of your breath. Visualize your spine long. Visualize its curves. And also take a moment to connect to your thoughts. Watch them slowing down, allowing your mind to be still as well as your body. Take all the time you need, and whenever you're ready, you can uncross your legs, hold on to the back of the knees, take a deep breath in, open the chest forward, lifting the sternum up, and exhale, looking at your navel, rounding the spine. Inhale, arch the back, look up or forward. Exhale, look down towards your belly. Once again, deep breath in to arch, deep breath out to round. Take one more deep breath in, open the chest, exhale deeply, round the spine. On the next one, you can come back to a neutral position. Extend the left leg forward with the foot flexed and hug the right knee in towards your chest. Lengthen the spine and slowly hug the knee with your left hand and go into a twist towards the right side. You can look over your shoulder or towards the mat, whatever it's comfortable for you. Even though we're twisting, try to breathe deeply. The right foot is firmly pressing down into the mat. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale really slowly, extending the right leg forward. Again, deep inhalation to lengthen. Exhale to fold towards your thighs. Now we're not fully warm yet, so you can just ease into this pose, Paschimottanasana. Let gravity help you in this. Just focus on the breath, deep inhalations, deep exhalations. On the next one, we're gonna come back up, rolling the spine, bring the hands behind you, fingertips towards your hips. Inhale, lift the hips up, look up. So this is a great pose that is gonna strengthen the whole back of your body. The legs and the glutes are very active here, as well as the shoulders. Keep the core engaged, release slowly to the ground. And we're gonna take the whole sequence to the other side. So hug the left knee in and hold it with your right hand as you twist to the left side. Again here, try to lengthen the spine before you twist, so you don't want to round too much. Feel the left thigh pressing into the chest. Lower the shoulders down. And try to look towards the wall behind you. Right foot is flexed. Exhale, release with control. Extend the left leg forward. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, again, forward fold into Paschimottanasana. If you already feel a little warmer right now, then you can go a little bit deeper. Again, try not to push, just focus on the breath and on releasing the tension that you're holding on to. Roll your spine up, bring the hands behind you, point your toes and lift the hips up, looking up as well. This is Purvottanasana. It's a great pose to strengthen the body. Feel the core active. One more breath. Exhale, release with control down. We're now going to cross the legs into Sukhasana, and on your next exhalation, extend your arms forward and lower the forehead to the ground. Relax here. Let go of tension from your neck, from your hips, and keep reaching forward. Now you have a couple of options here. You can roll forward and come on all fours, or you can simply uncross your legs, swing them around, and meet me there. Take all the time you need. Bring the knees underneath your hips, hands underneath the shoulders. Tuck the toes under and lift the hips up in your first downward facing dog of today. So feel the hands pressing firmly down into the mat, heels melting down into the floor, legs are extended, and again focus on the breath. Stay present, bend the knees, look forward, step forward with your right foot and then with the left. Take a deep breath in, sit back into chair pose, Utkatasana. So stay strong in the legs, hug the front ribs in, breathe. Now when you're ready, join the palms together, bring them at the heart level and twist to the right side. If it's available to you, you can hook the elbow on the outside of your right thigh, spread the elbows apart, press the palms together. Breathe, looking over your right shoulder. Now nothing changes in the lower body, it's just the upper body that is twisting here. Try to deepen the breath a little more. On your next inhalation, release, reach your arms up. Bring the right knee into the chest and hold it with both hands, creating a big circle. Flex the foot and go into your twist to the right side, still holding on to the knee with your left hand. You can look towards the back of the room, that's a bit more challenging. Stay strong in the left leg, feel rooted down. Deep breaths. Slowly release, you're doing great. Release the knee, bring the foot to the ground, arch the back on your next inhalation, and then on your next exhalation, fold forward. Relax completely. We'll be taking a giant step back with the left leg, lower the knee down, and set your foundation before lifting up into low lunge position. So look up towards your hands. Think about lifting the sternum up. Then join the hands together at the heart level and go into your twist to the right side. Once again, you can hook the elbow on the outside of your right knee, spread the elbows apart, press the palms together and breathe deeply. If you want to challenge yourself, you can lift the back knee off the floor, nice and controlled. It's a bit more challenging, a bit more advanced, so try to stay focused, keep the foundation stable. A little shake is okay. With control, you can release the hands to the ground and step back into downward facing dog. Once again, remember to breathe deeply, especially now that you release the twist. Try to deepen the sensations of this pose every time you repeat it. Now bend both knees, look forward, and step forward with the left leg and then right foot. Fold for a moment. Inhale, come back into chair pose, Utkatasana. Nice and strong in your legs. We'll be repeating the whole sequence to the other side. First, breathe deeply. Hug the front ribs, join the palms together and twist to the left side. Again, if it's available to you, you can hook the elbow as I'm doing, otherwise just stay at the height that suits you the most for today. Look over the left shoulder if it's possible, and then release with control. Stand up and lift the left knee up into the chest. We'll be hugging the knee, creating a big circle with the arms before going into our twist to the other side. Remember to set your foundation first. Let go only when you're ready and take all the time you need to get there. The right leg is rooted down. All four corners of your foot are pressing down into the floor. Breathe and release slowly. Let go of the knee, bring the foot down. Inhale to arch the back. Exhale, folding forward, letting go. Step back with your right foot and lower the knee down. Now set your foundation before lifting up into your low lunge position. You can reach your arms up in the sky or keep them down on the earth. Lift your sternum up, create space in your back before going into a twist to the left side. And once again here you see me hooking the elbow on the outside of the thigh, but you can also keep it at the height that suits you today. Lift the back knee if you want an extra challenge. This is going to deepen the twist quite a lot. So make sure you're breathing and keeping your focus. You can let go when you're ready. Bring the hands on the floor and step back into downward facing dog. Deepening into this pose a little more. Always staying present. Bend your knees, look forward, and step at the front of your mat. Fold for a moment and roll the spine up one vertebra at a time, leaving the head last. Now feel your foundation, bring the feet together, stay nice and tall. Feel a long line of energy running from your heels all the way up to the crown of the head. And when you connect to that sensation, you can lift the right knee up. Hold on to the back of the knee. And slowly extend the leg forward, flexing the foot. We'll be going into a twist once again. This is quite challenging, so make sure you move nice and slow, controlling your muscles, controlling your breath. Extend the front leg as best as you can before releasing. And lower the foot down. Let's go into the other side. Lift the left knee up. Hold on to the back of the knee. Flex the foot and kick forward, extending the leg. Twist to the left side, moving nice and slow, nice and controlled. Breathe. Extend as best as you can, keep the connection to the ground, and release whenever you feel ready. Reach your arms forward in your next inhalation and start lowering down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lowering all the way to the ground. Right away, connect to the core, lift the feet off the ground, keep the knees bent. Keep reaching forward with your arms into Navasana. And you can go into a more advanced version, extending your legs fully. Cross your legs, lengthen the spine, and then twist to the right side. Use the hands for extra support. Remember to breathe, looking over your shoulder. Relax the hips. Lower the shoulders down. Take one more breath and release. Again, reach your arms forward and then twist to the left side. Try not to round the low back, but keep everything nice and long. Release when you're ready. Reach the arms forward and fold towards the front of the mat. Lower the forehead down. Relax. Feel the breath in the back of your body. Feel your thoughts slowing down a little more. When you're ready, roll the spine up. Rest your hands on your knees. Lower the shoulders down. When you're ready, with gratitude towards your body, we'll be joining the hands at the heart, remembering that the body is our sacred temple. We need to honor it, nourish it, and take care of it. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for practicing with me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Namaste.